Got a bad feeling about this. Da 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 da. Put my keys in my left pocket. Gun in the right hand side.
It makes a bulge. People can see.
You want me to stick it in my pants and shoot my damn dick off?
Now you're a sharpshooter?
Going to shake hands with the maid.
How you doing?
Hi. Oh.
It's for you. Another in a long line of bad personal investments.
Excuse me?
I just saw the ring on your finger. Do I know you from somewhere?
Oh, back up.
Total pickup line. Forget I said it. I take it back.
Thank you for the beer, but I don't know you.
No, you don't. Tell when someone's lying to me. I am sorry to have bothered you.
Yours?
Yeah.
Who's your boyfriend?
Oh, some guy.
Okay, people. I got what I need. Move in. Do them both.
Hey. That man walking this way.
Is that him?
I think so. Mr. Waldman?
Jesus wept. Let's go, Miss Katie. We gotta get to the car. This way, come on! Take it. All right, I got 3 shots left in this revolver. You got a full clip. Just point and spray. Ready? And... Fuck it! Run for your life! There's no way out! Saved your ass. It was great. Come on. We're gonna get to the car. Come on. This way. Come on. Get down.
Get in, both of you, now! I said now!
Out of a building!
Yes, it was very exciting. Tomorrow we go to the zoo.
You're a Waldman.
No, I'm the Hills Brothers bean buyer. Who else would I